Alright guys, so here's my bike check since Sam did his. Colt van grips, tree bars. What bars are these he gave me?
Got him at Woodward.
Fit down low stem, some shitty ass forks. Duo tires front and back, shadow rim, tie spokes, Primo. And 4FL, shadow little pegs both sides, rocking the headlight frame, shadow pedals, profile BMX cranks, shadow bomb bracket, shadow seat, kink sprocket, crappy KMC chain. I guess I'll flip back over. So that's the bad part about left-hand drive. Another shadow low peg, shadow hub guard, and Mission back wheel with Alienation rim and dual tire.
Bike check, bitches.